Indira Mahavidyalaya is a premier educational institution with a rich history spanning nearly 4 decades. The parent trust Dr. Yeshwant Moreshwar Donde Sarvajanik Shaikshanik Trust was established in 1974, while Indira Mahavidyalaya was founded in 1983. The college is situated near Sri Saraswati Temple, surrounded by natural beauty.
Our visionary leader, great literator of Maharashtra, late Dr. Bhau Mandavkar, founder president of the institution, wanted the people of this rural, tribal undeveloped area to have higher education with open access system. The college has magnificent past efforts are being made for its bright future. Hence, perspectives are consciously planned so as to promote the progress of the institution.
Indira Mahavidyalaya is a prominent higher education center in the Vidarbha region that provides a blend of academic, cultural, and skill-based education in a variety of disciplines such as humanities, science, and commerce. It assists students in expanding their learning by providing enriching experiences and opportunities in accordance with the National Education Policy 2020. It encourages students to strive for excellence and innovation and to serve the community in a broader sense.
The institution keeps research and innovation at the crux of its goals and is working to cultivate and promote the students' passion in the field and subjects of their choice through multidisciplinary learning. The institute has been providing education in the faculties of arts, commerce, and science at the graduate level, as well as the postgraduate programs in 5 subjects. Also, the 3 disciplines are covered in research.
The beautiful lush green campus pervades through 10.6 acres of panoramic milieu with rainwater harvesting reservoir, adequate playgrounds, multifaceted gymnasium and yoga center. Well-equipped and recognized research laboratories, the library named Dr. Bhau Mandavkar Knowledge Resource Center ornamented with variety of titles, volumes, journals, magazines and automation supported by ventilated spacious reading section.
Institutional annual magazine Kadambini was awarded for 3 times by parent university in the subsequent years. The institution's credentials include ISO certification, green and energy audits, as well as appreciation and awards for green campus and alternative energy resources.
Various extensive activities are undertaken and best practices of the college are well aligned with national policies and local priorities. The institute is module of intellectual, cultural, and social intent who have served the nation and humanity variously. The commitment is not only to teach, but also to educate, to shape minds and develop generations.
Dynamic management combined with a dedicated principal. A competent and experienced teaching staff is recognized for their contributions and received many awards. The college is recognized under Section 2F, 12B of UGC and permanently affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Indira Mahavidyalaya is not only an educational institution but also a place to provide exposure to the student for upcoming real life.